There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live streams again. There we go. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Yo.
Yo.
What's up?
How are you, Frankie?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Good morning, everyone.
Yo.
Good morning.
How we
Hello,
doing,
morning.
Good. Augustus,
Yo.
should we roast Luke?
Yeah, I was about to, I was a lot.
6 minutes late.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Because you have a fresh haircut, it's alright.
Someone's got the first trim.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Ooh.
How are you doing, guys?
Hello. Yeah, pretty good. What about you?
Good.
Yeah. You had a good weekend?
Oh yeah, man. Wake up like at 5 p.m. man.
I know why. Yes,
It is what it is.
Yeah, man. It definitely is what it is. Let's see. Sure. A little too loud.
Good morning, Luke.
Yo, good morning, man. How are you?
Tired. I'll be back.
Yeah, perfect. Good morning. Boy, you need your glasses, yeah, man. Okay, now. I was looking for this daily wick fill once it started breaking the low, but the only problem for me was, so this is happening actually, then move down from this level to right here. But the only thing for me was that price didn't have a top wick on the 4 hour, which bothered me.
Well, what a moving agent for GJ.
Let's see. Damn.
Man just dropped.
Yeah. I don't want to call him out, but I saw some guys taking buys in Asian.
Okay, yeah, let's not speak about them then.
Yeah. No, but I think you don't even know who it is.
Oh, okay.
Damn, that's pretty clean. I mean, the move down from here all the way to the top is pretty clean with that lower lows and lower highs. Do you have some capsule on this weekend? No. I didn't have capsule on. Yeah, I think on GG it's making some sort of a support right now, but the range, it's okay. If we confirm resistance right here, this level to go down to, that's gonna be like the 4 hour wick fill right here. You guys bullish or bearish on gold the week ahead? Yeah, let's see. I don't know yet. I think if you have like a candle close of the 1 hour candle below 151, 470, you'd be able to move down to 312, 315. Or even, yeah, even kind of like this with the top wick and then starts moving down. Pretty clean move right here. Gold wise, I'm now looking to, we just opened on the weekly, pulled back up towards this rejection zone right here. So I think what we might see is a weekly, a daily, and a daily wick fill. I mean, we have a candle closing below this zone again, so we should be good. It's delicate right now. Right now, at least, we're still creating these lower lows, lower highs, so we are still bearish. What do you want to say, Augustus?
Yeah, no, it's me.
go for it.
On the weekly close under that support. So you either want, like, the trend has kind of pretty much like switched. So now either we'll get like a pullback, I would say, before the continuation back down, or we'll just get just like keep going down, I would say.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't be
Let's see.
surprised if we get some kind of like pullback maybe on the this week, and after next week we keep pushing down.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Abby. Yeah, I was maybe looking for sales below this line right here. Remove this line for a second. Getting too much. Look on the 30-minute time frame. There's like some sort of support right here. The most recent one. Not really want to be looking at these ones anymore. We've passed them for a second already. To maybe get this clean traffic down to this level, but we do have to get it close below a retest and the continuation. One second, let me get my my glasses real quick. Oh, see, yeah, I can see things, but not too well. Sheesh.
Do you not have what is it called? I don't know what it's called in English, like eye lenses, or
Yeah.
I don't know what's.
Yeah, I do have them, but I can't be bothered
Yeah.
going there every fucking morning putting in things in my eyes. Because sometimes it's like really easy, and sometimes it just takes like 30 minutes. Man. Yeah.
But are they good? Like,
Yeah,
compared to
they-
glasses, it's the same, or?
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same, but yeah, for me the problem is that I have to, you know, put them in every day, and can't be bothered. Like every morning and every night, and I'm the person that forgets them to put them out, and then your eyes hurt the next day. Yeah. So but they're good overall. But I used them for a couple months, but yeah, I had some bad experience with them. I would put them on if I had them now, but I'm not like oh I need them or anything, right? So I'm just wearing these right now. I might do like the laser thing.
Okay, yeah. I've heard of that. But how does it work? Like when you get glasses, you automatically get don't even know how they're called. What are they called?
Contacts.
Yeah, contacts. Do you automatically get contacts?
No.
Or...
No, and especially with like I don't have bad eyes. I don't have bad eyesight because I can just see. But not that well in distances, and I'd rather have my glasses on so I see like everything sharp. I don't really need them on because I can read them without, but it's not comfortable. But the problem with my eyes was with the contact lens that I had like a cylinder, what's that called? Cylinder in my eyes. So you have like the normal like negative or positive, right? And then you have an extra thing that's called a cylinder, and that and my eyes had a small cylinder in it, so getting contact lenses is a lot harder. And the contact lenses I have, because I still have a couple laying around, are monthly ones, so they expire by monthly time.
Okay.
And I'd rather have, if I have lenses, I'd rather have daily ones so I can throw them away. Because I get switched up. I don't know what left and right anymore at that time, because you lay them down and they get spin to get there, and it's all gonna be a mess.
But like, so when you drive, you do need like they wear your glasses. Like if you get.
Oh no.
Ah yeah. If like you get stopped by the police, they won't say anything.
No worries, no, nothing.
Okay.
I can drive without my my lenses as well, or my glasses.
I wouldn't feel confident with you in the streets, like knowing
Why
that
not?
you can't even see your charts and you're driving without glasses.
I can see the chart, but I can't. The chat is too far away for me to to read the normal chat. Like it's the same. I can't from 20 meters.
Alright, look, I'm not getting in the car with you then, mate.
Yeah, same, exactly.
Bro, I can drive really well, man.
Nah, I'm not saying you can't. Just get your spectacles on.
Yeah, glasses
Don't
on,
have
it'll
them,
be
man.
good.
Trust. Don't worry about it.
I'll give you a stick then, you know.
What?
I'll give you a stick for the drive, you know, to see where you're driving.
Like this. Where's the curb?
Yeah. Shit, cat.
No, overall my eyes are pretty okay, but it's just these little. I want to be able to read the little things.
A lot of people call gold cells, man.
Yeah, I saw them too, but I was looking at them. I was like, nah, 4 hour doesn't have a top wick yet, so it made sense. But at the end of the day, it's also just a little on the dangerous side on a Monday morning.
I like what GG is doing. I like what GG is doing. I want this 30-minute candle to close bullish, so we get a nicer retracement.
Yeah, I think a retrace to like that 151 900 will be good. I would be selling off from that like 152 flat. Let's say that price come there, create a resistance, and then retest this.
You might do just, you know, like a minor trend where it goes like up and down, up and down, up and down before it falls off.
Yeah.
On the lower time frames. So yeah, we might see that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
If I see a retrace to this level, I might just take sells once I see price come in. Look, did you get your time message? No. Go ahead. Want to say something?
Yeah, I was about to say that I want to see on daily a retracement to 153, 500 at least. 500, 600. Yeah. so we can fall off. GJ can fall its pants to weekly zone, to weekly support. That is what I think.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
For me, I just don't really want to break the structure, so we come back to this level right here. In my opinion, I think we already did a good enough of a retrace at that moment.
No. I'm just talking about daily.
Oh yeah.
In respective to today, yeah. I mean, we can't just keep knocking off down. So, I mean, if we can create some sort of resistance and then come back down, obviously, to fill the whole range, happy days. But then eventually, throughout this whole week, my daily come just push it back up into that zones. And this week, probably coming into next month, how gradually depends. But we can see the volume is coming in, the uncertainty is coming in, and the market crash is on the way.
Let's see. What do you think about that move down on gold?
You asking me?
Yeah.
On what time frames?
Just 30 minute, 15 minute. This week.
Yeah, I mean, whoever took those sells, it was happy days, because the 30-minute close sort of below support, and then you got your next range. I wasn't in front of the computer, so I wasn't watching gold. Okay. So you got at least 30 pips of a range, and then you go on 15-minute or on 5, for example, breaking the lows, and you just got clean range, nothing else. So those two took it, man. Happy days.
Yeah,
honestly.
for me the only issue that there was that this candle didn't have a top wick. That was the only issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted that to have a top wick. Happened very fast, broke the low in the first.
Yeah, this 4 hour might just flip on gold, and then we might come back into 91, 90 sort of levels.
Yeah, let's see. If we start breaking the previous 4 hour highs, then we're going to continue moving up, and I'm going to be looking for potential buys above.
Yeah. And the 30-minute is like that little resistance just above, and after we have a very clean range to go.
Yeah. I was even speaking to my students like, okay, where do you want to be in the market? Position yourself for the best option. And it was like, above that resistance, if we clear those wicks to the left, we got nothing else, just 130 pips of clean candle movement.
Mm-hmm.
So in that area, you can definitely grab 20 pips.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, I think I would be looking for sales below the 68 level. And once we cross the 68 level. What? I think below that level we can definitely look into some good opportunities right here. Pretty much close at this small consolidation area. And once we start closing below again, I'm gonna take sales back down to 61. If not, probably gonna be looking for buys above 60. One of these two levels in between these zones, 76 or 78.
How's your weekend look?
Yeah, it was okay. It was pretty good. Yeah, man, what about yours?
I was just eating, man.
What do you do? Like, what do you eat?
Oh, everything, man. Everything that was in front of me. Like, I want mad pizza, everything.
2 days.
2 days, bro. Yeah.
Man, that a double cheat day.
Yeah, I'm not trying to cut in shape or everything. I'm just trying to build the size right now because I know we're going into another lockdown, so I'm just trying to build size. That's it. Just get my fully shrimp back and everything. So I'm just like carb loading myself up. I don't eat like that bread and all that kind of stuff because I don't even like it. I just had one pizza and that's it.
Yeah, pizza has bread.
yeah, it's not for me. But then I had my girlfriend done lasagna for me, and I was just like going nuts with it.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Guys, get yourself a missus that can cook, and that's it.
Yeah, man.
Life is sweet.
Yeah, I like lasagna too, but it has to be like very, very good.
Yeah. Well, the best one I had was in Rome,
Yeah.
by the Colosseum.
Yeah.
No, I'm lying. No, sorry. Vatican City. It was amazing. It was like the size of a hand, not even a hand, like a knuckle. It was like that small, but it just filled me up.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah, it was so good. Like, it was amazing. Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. There's like a restaurant here in Rotterdam.
Mm-hmm.
That's like pretty much everyone that works there is actually just Italian.
All right.
Yeah, man, and it's really popular. Actually, it's like loads of footballers come there, like loads. Like there's everywhere are signs of footballers on the wall and shit.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's very cool. But they have the best lasagna ever, man. Like no joke.
Yeah, lasagna's good, man.
Batman, the way to your guy's heart is through his stomach.
Oh yeah, man. Slow down, guys.
What the hell, Savian? Why? What do you do? John, Pete, morning, Luke. Morning, everybody. Hope you're fine. Yeah, hope you're fine as well, my friend. Buys valid if GJ closes above resistance. Let's see. I mean, this 30-minute candle just pushed up last second.
No top wick.
No top wick. So you gotta wait. 1 hour no top wick, 30-minute no top wick. Time to sell now. Think you have a larger top wick and it rejects again, you should be moving down. But on GJ, I'm not gonna play that game.
Gold is looking nice. Forming that structure because it never closed below.
Yeah.
You can see 71. So
yeah, I'm looking for sales below that 68.
You're looking for sells. I'm looking for buys.
Yeah, I'm looking for both. I'm looking for buys above 7.8 and 7.6, and I'm looking for sells below 6.8.
Okay. So, yeah, I just want a structure break. That's it. On the 3rd minute.
Makes sense. I just want to fill this daily wick. Let's see what this 4 hour does. We're rejecting right now, so if we break the previous day at 4 hour high, buys, the sales are going to be a little bit out of the window. And the way this closed, fully support created with full on rejection, so there's no sells right now. Lach. Works, oh yeah, sometimes, but sometimes not. Sometimes the last candles can be the full on push. So, gotta be careful. Hi, look. Is my analysis legit? Can you check it out? Well, you need to add a chart because you probably added the link and I can't see the link. You need to get control of yourself, Savian.
think there's somebody who said hello.
What?
I think there was. I heard like, "Hey Luke," and you just like.
I didn't hear it. Who said hello?
Don't know. No idea. Maybe it's me.
I didn't hear anything.
I think it's you, boy.
Yeah, I think it's you. I didn't say hello.
Yeah, I didn't hear anybody say
I
hello.
was sure I heard a hello, and it was like just like.
It's like, Luke, why are you ignoring?
Yeah, exactly. But
Oh shit!
maybe it's me.
I didn't hear no hello. No idea.
Hello, it's me. Oh boy. It reminds me this GJ sort of trade when we had like in February when Asia session used to move so much and then London just comes back, retraces the whole movement. How was your weekend, Frank?
What did I do this weekend? Yeah, it was good. I just had like a small second. I was like thinking what I did, but yeah, it was good. You?
How are you feeling after that little jab you had?
Good. Honestly, I mean,
Yeah.
I just think, I mean, at the end of the day, it's like nobody knows, and everybody's like exaggerating a bit too. I mean, it's.
Well, I disagree with that, but that's okay.
Oh shit!
I mean, yeah.
I mean, we all have our personal opinions.
Yeah, for sure.
I had this conversation this weekend with this guy, and he's also like, yeah, but I already had hepatitis A, B, C, this and that, and I'm like, yeah, but those are all those are not experiments.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, of course. Like, I mean, they were an experiment in the first place.
Yeah.
But I understand Frank. Frank has no option.
Yeah, Frank has no option. He can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
I mean, you always have an option, but it's just like.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah.
It's a very nice chart, man. I like it. You took spells once price started closing below. Very nice. Very, very good. Good
morning, Luke.
3 pips. Good morning. How are you, Michelle?
Hello.
I am good. Have you looked at the calendar on the Forex Factory?
What?
I think tomorrow Jeremy's speaking, right?
No, today we have an FOMC talking about the interest rates.
Oh, William.
So that might be interest rates could move this, and it might hold it still for a while until that meeting happens. So it's
Is it
something to
today or
consider.
tomorrow, Michelle?
It says today for me. On the 21st, I'm in America.
Yeah.
It says today at 2 p.m. FOMC speaks about interest rates.
All right. Williams,
2 p.m. 2 p.m. Central Time, which is 3 p.m. New York time.
Wait, what the hell?
What did you just do on YouTube, Luke?
I say. Oh, people are holding buys. They're fighting right now. 6% go. No.
I mean,
Look, you said buys.
Yeah.
or
Oh wait, I
sells.
need to remove this one.
And yes and no.
Yes and no.
Wow.
I can't do. Oh, I can only do one. That's bullshit.
You're
That was
terrible,
quick.
Luke.
Yeah,
You're
sorry.
terrible.
Bro, it's Monday morning. What do you expect?
You're terrible.
I can do it one more time. Bye.
Please don't.
Or sells. Bye.
yeah, but say at least what? I mean,
So, no, they gotta figure it out. There you go.
So what's your plan, Michelle, for gold?
Oh, you don't want my plan, really? No.
No, I just want to listen through. That's
No,
it.
more or less, honestly, if I was going to give my honest opinion,
Mhm.
Well, I think that the setup last week for talking about interest rates changing might have been to offset maybe talking about inflation this week to bring a balance to what they're talking about. That's just my personal opinion. So for gold, I mean, they're going to do whatever they want with it. Ultimately, they're going to legit move it wherever they want. So there's really no prediction. The only thing is you might see some weird stuff happening between now and then where it's either not going to move very much or it could. I mean, it's just something to think about that's coming later today. Because usually when stuff's coming up, you'll see it just kind of pause. And everybody's like, what's going on? Why are we not moving? Why did it just pop down in gold and all of a sudden recover in 15 minutes at a no volume, no news time? It's could be setting up for something or nothing. I personally have an opinion of what I think setting up in the charts, but I don't
say
think
it. I
anybody
mean,
cares.
no, just say it. Doesn't matter. I mean, everybody's wrong here and there. So just, I mean, who cares?
Okay, I'm gonna throw it out there. You ready? I see a Wyckoff pattern setting up.
What the what?
Okay.
There you go.
Wyckoff? What's that?
I know what she's talking about.
I have no idea what that is.
I see
Yeah.
a Wyckoff. I
What's
see
your
Friday was a
Wyckoff?
spring test to the bottom. It happened 2 hours before market close for no good reason. We dropped 100 pips and then it recovered on Sunday. So that was a little spring test, order block, whatever. I just see we're testing the same range. So we're just going to range in this area for a while.
Then give a little tease for the sellers and then shoot up.
Okay.
That's what I think.
Okay.
But when I share my opinion, I end up being wrong. So
It doesn't
always
matter.
prepare for the other because don't listen to me.
Could you explain those like I think it's ICT concepts and like just smart money stuff? I have no clue how that goes, but I hear more and more about it. So just for like interest and just like knowing a bit more. Like what are those patterns like the Wyckoff you said?
So I gold last year watched gold like dip down and it shot all the way back up to the 1900s, and this guy called it. He nailed it from the bottom, and I said, how did you know? He said it was classic Wyckoff. So I went and started looking at Wyckoff patterns and started trying to see if I could find those patterns again, and I see it happening like right now. So it was like gold was at a low
Gold's
and then it
breaking up.
went back. I was like, how did you know from 1700 we were going to 19?
There you go.
He
Wait,
said
guys,
that was the
who's all
pattern.
that background noise? Come on. Holy. There was like, what the hell was that? But, what does Wyckoff, like, directly look like if you, like, put it down on the chart?
Hold on, I think I have an alarm going off. Hold on.
Yeah, I hear a alarm. Gold's breaking up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna get impulsively. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, just wait for the breaking structure. That's it. Like create a new high, blah blah. Look, you can actually just Google Wyckoff, Y K off method. A lot of people try to contemplate that into Bitcoin right now, but I don't think it's happening.
Yeah, so just Google Wyckoff, Wyckoff, and I just started studying different patterns on there. Just click images on Google and you'll see all kinds of different setups, but they're essentially the same. They run along the same support and they test the support and they come off and they test the support and then they'll go below the support and it's called a spring test, which is I think what happened on Friday. For no good reason, it just breaks down and then comes back up. And then just a second ago when we dropped it, that was another test of support. And then now apparently we're going up.
Yeah, this is way too complicated.
Yeah, look at
That's why I said, don't make me say it. Don't make me say it.
I'll look at that. What?
It's really not that complicated.
That's for long-term trading.
If you look at, yes, this is definitely not a one session or even a 1 day. It's not even it's not that kind of a setup whatsoever. Yeah. Like the ones that's been setting up right now, the setup for me, we're looking back at a couple weeks. No. Actually, I take that back. Just last week. So I'd say the setup started last Thursday.
Oh, already? Oh, damn.
Oui, allô?
Non, g'day. How's it going?
Salut, bien et toi?
Yo,
Monsieur
Frank.
Frankie.
Hello?
Frankie, ça va?
Hello, Ricardo, Max.
Yeah, I was just going to say about the Wyckoff. All that, I mean, if you could make it work, it's fantastic. And it's easy to call it, after, but everything is in the price action anyway. You'll see it. I mean, it coming down to 17, where it came down to. I mean, that was fairly clear in the price action from a few days ago. Remember, I was saying, it was like early last week when I was talking about the small bullish candles and the bigger bearish candles, and that it had it was going to break lower, and then to come down to 1762. I mean, if you look left, you can see I had that marked at 1762 there. Same with like GJ and the Euro USD. I mean, it's in the price action in the way it's shaped as well. When you get into things like the Wyckoff, I mean, it's complicated, and it takes a lot of study, and it takes a lot of speculation and sort of trial and error, and seeing things that sometimes aren't there.
How many times because you gotta wait long time probably for one of those patterns to really show. How many times is it profitable at that time then?
You don't even know it's happened till it's done. Sometimes you're like, oh look, that's what that was.
Okay.
Yeah, looking at it, it looks more like just like a range, like I would say like a kind of fake out, or like what they call star punt also, and after just pushes in either direction. I don't know.
I got stopped out of my GJ this morning when the market opened. It wicked up.
Yeah,
But
that's
how? I haven't got that wick on mine.
It stopped out my runner for 110 pips. I got 110 pips, but I should have put my stop a little bit higher. I thought I put it in a safe spot, but with the early spread when the market opens, it got me.
So was you break even or not?
No, I got 110 pips because I held it over the weekend.
Okay.
But I wanted it to go. I wanted it to, because I can see GJ continuing down. Just going to look for another sell sometime this week.
Yeah, maybe pull back into daily structure, broken structure that we had. Into daily that zone. So if we can form a strong resistance there, I'm definitely will be holding a swing with you to the weekly zone that you spoke about.
And I'm looking for it to come to, over the next period of time, 149.50-ish. Unless it breaks 153.70 again, I mean, it's going to stay bearish.
Yeah, I don't see nothing positive about the pound going into.
Nothing fundamentally positive either.
I even had the dream today that we're going into another lockdown. Just now, so
I think we're not in a lockdown in Sydney, but they're getting close to it. We only have like 2 cases or something.
We're fully opening up everything.
Yeah. We're on the wrong track in Australia.
Next week, no, you don't have to wear a mask anymore. But go ahead.
What, even inside?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, in Australia, we're on the wrong track. We're run by people who just don't know what they're doing. They're just running. Same in Britain. I mean, you look at the text that came out with Dominic, the guy in the Parliament, with Boris Johnson. I mean, these are people who just simply, they're not leaders. They're just politicians, and politicians don't really know what they're doing when a crisis comes.
Same
just go, they just, they almost trade blind. They just go, well, I'll just enter here. And
Yeah, it's like
let's just do this.
no
Let's see
stop
what
loss.
happens. Lockdown after lockdown doesn't work. It doesn't work for mental health. It doesn't work for people who are struggling already. It doesn't bother me, but for people who struggle mentally, and for people who struggle with their businesses, their businesses closing down, and that causes problems. I mean, that causes mental problems and suffering, and then that causes physical problems after that. I don't think we have a good handle on it, really.
No, I mean, that's everywhere. I mean, like, just to give a little like personal experience, and then in France, like, in the winter I'm a ski instructor, so they closed everything down. So we supposed to get money from the States, and I just now am getting the money I'm supposed to get from February. It's like they delay everything. So I mean, I'm lucky I had some money aside, but if you have like stuff like very important, like, I don't know, a loan or just like house mortgage or something to pay, I mean, you're struggling, because they're always delaying. And when you call them, they're like, oh, it's taking a long time, we have this issue, we have that. And it's just like they're always pushing everything to further and further away, but they don't think about all the consequences they're just doing.
No, they don't really know what they're doing. They're just flying blind, basically.
Yeah, because look at UK. They sort of delayed the lockdown for another month, and it's gonna be literally end of July when they open up, if they open up. And they're gonna open up for what, a month? Because September, then October, October is again the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, you can't keep doing it. There's going to be more cases. What are you going to do? Lock down again, and then lock down again? And it just, and there's so much coming out about it being from a lab, which seems the most obvious thing that there is, that it came from a lab, because the lab is right there, and the lab actually studies these kinds of viruses. So the likelihood of it coming from a wet market is much smaller than coming from, and now we're finding out, a whole lot of information about, the US government funding, partly funding the lab, and, looking at these viruses.
Fauci emails.
I hate conspiracy theories, but, the problem is that some of these things are true. The Earth is not flat, but Vietnam War.
It's fucked up society.
Just an aside, I was listening to. We've got a second. I was listening to this documentary called 1971, about the year 1971, and how music changed. And, there was a lot of protests and all that kind of stuff, all around against the Vietnam War. And there's recordings of Richard Nixon, because he recorded everything. He taped everything in the Oval Office. And he's talking to Henry Kissinger, and they're talking about the Vietnam War. And he says, well, we could, blow up the dikes, and that would kill about 200,000 people. He's talking about Vietnamese. He said, yeah, we could do that. And then he says, or we could drop a nuclear bomb. We could drop it. And Henry Kissinger's like, I don't know. And Richard Nixon says, you've got to think big.
Oh, shit.
This is the insanity of these people. They just don't think. They think, oh, we'll just drop a bomb. It's got, and you're killing hundreds of thousands of people for nothing, for absolutely no reason whatsoever. I mean, it's just literally insane. That's the definition of insanity.
Yeah.
There's no compassion, there's no empathy, there's no idea of, your fellow man. There's just an idea of, well, we'll do this, and, there's no consequences for us.
Just get a nuke and then...
Yeah. If you want to stop Americans being killed in Vietnam, just bring them home. Vietnamese aren't going to follow them home.
No, that's the thing. That's with a lot of things. Yeah. Like, they're trying to get involved into the dumbest routes.
Same with Iraq, Afghanistan.
Yeah, they're just all there for oil.
Yeah, it's all
Yes.
just
And
money.
it-
It's all
yeah,
money.
exactly. Money, money, money.
Yeah, money.
Look at Boris Johnson. That he even wrote a book about depopulation. I mean,
Yeah,
is that coincidence? I don't think so.
yeah. I wouldn't trust any of those guys.
Yeah.
You
So
know, and the problem in Australia is, you have this conservative government, and they're called the Liberal government, but they're not liberals; they're conservatives. But when you look at the opposition, which is the Labor Party, I mean, there's just another guy in a suit. There's nobody different there. There's just the same guys, So and weaker to boot. It's not like you're getting a better deal. It's the same. It's the same color.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Anyway, that's my rant for the day.
yeah, it's a big problem here as well. A lot of idiots. But then this
Yeah.
Biden, with his entire $6 trillion plan. What do you think about that, Max?
What's his plan?
The $6 trillion saving plan.
I haven't really looked at his plan, but I mean, it's money they're just printing anyway, so it's
Yeah.
just, it's just false money. It's just fake money. I mean, it's got to come crashing down at some point.
I think Chris can talk about more as he living in America. So
I like Chris. What do you think about the situation? He's like delicate. He's on the phone.
that man's chilling middle of the night.
Yeah, he's like, boys, let me wake up for a second.
He heard $1 trillion and he's on the phone trying to get his cut.
Yeah. Damn.
I hate politics.
Yeah, man. Same thing.
Yeah, it's useless.
It's speculation. I feel like it's all a game. It's all
This-
a game.
Richer get richer, and I mean, that's all it
The
is.
thing is, just they create this bubble now that is getting bigger and bigger, and when it's gonna explode, I don't know how many people are gonna be affected with that.
Luke is not looking at his charts. Eldred, you sent in a PNG. Like, what do you want? Man, come on.
I might say PNG.
I looked at this chart. It's pretty okay. I wouldn't do this myself though because we're in a downtrend. But makes sense. You're in profits right now, so that's pretty good. This chart, I got no idea what you're trying to do. I see an arrow going back up to 1900. Yeah, could do, but let's see. Then we have one more chart over here by MA.
But why from there? Why from there? Why is
Yeah,
what's
maybe
gonna?
because the support is right here.
Well, it makes sense, but I mean, with
Yeah.
no explanation.
Yeah, no explanation. So that's the thing. I can't read your mind. Then this guy always has correct trades. Very nice. This guy is very good. The buy limit. Oh sheesh. Man's playing
Buy
around with buy limits. Damn. More chart coming in as well. Yes. Oh yeah, this is very nice, man. Very, very good trade. I like it. Get this part as well. Ooh, very nice labeling again. Pink candle, strong support. Minor resistance, small bullish candle, no buys. Wait. I think this thing needs to be turned around. You secured 10 pips right there, very nice. Yeah, I think you need to turn this one around for a second. Or would have been reached, but didn't wait too long.
Secure 10 pips in drawdown.
Start looking for the salt straight away.
It's like, oh no, normally my bias doesn't play out, so let me take a sell here.
Nah, just VPA switched it up.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, GG.
Yo, good morning.
Morning.
Yo.
So you guys want to hear the first mistake I made already?
Not yet. Gold is trying to wick back in again. But yeah, go ahead.
Instead of doing a 0.30 sell, I accidentally did 3-lot sell. So over leveraging my account. But I'm in profit. I close it now.
How much do you make?
I closed it.
Oh damn.
Quick 30 on accident.
Hey, better than nothing.
Lala, were you in profit?
Yeah, I closed it. It's because I just woke up and I was on my MetaTrader, right? And
It's like,
Man,
drop this
sleeps with the
3 lot.
MetaTrader on his face.
Let me drop that 3 lot.
it was accident, purely accident. I saw what? I said, what?
See that money going up real fast and it scared you?
No, not that. It's because it's Monday and I want to over leverage on that sticky situation.
Seems everybody already done that.
Yeah, I did it too one time.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. I'm like, what? Because I saw how much I could lose, and I'm like, no, that's not right.
Yeah.
I looked at the lot size. I was like, oh.
Yeah, we ain't gonna do
okay.
that.
We're not gonna do that. Let me see if I could get in a profit and snatch it over real quick.
Do you have any commission loss or just was like literally good?
No, I snagged $12. Commission is 7. No, so $7. Well, commission is more than that actually.
The commission is like 7 times 3.
Yeah,
20,
let me see.
21, $20. Well, it's 5, so €5, 5.50, like 15.
Oh, I actually
16.50?
lost $5.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
It's a learning mistake right there, man.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, I think everyone did that before. Like accidentally drop a big ass lot.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, I did one
As in,
short,
like,
man.
what?
I panicked. I was like, shit, man.
I added ones on gold.
I had that.
Very
like,
big
so-
lot. Like, sheesh. What did I
I
just
panicked.
do? Yeah? You panicked?
Yeah, I panicked. I was like, shit, man, I'm getting out. I'm getting
How
out.
big was it? Like 10?
Nah, that was like long time ago. I think I dropped like 7.5.
Ooh!
Yeah, that was like 2 years ago.
7.5. Oh, damn.
Yeah, I was like, and I was trading 75 cents at that time. And I was
Yeah.
like, shoot, man.
But did you get out with a loss?
No.
I had it once.
Because I got in and then it just dropped. So I was like, okay, I'm taking 0.3 pips.
I had the same thing with like a 1 lot, I think it was. And I was beginning, right? I was still trading like 0.10 cents. And all of a sudden I'm in this trade. I didn't even notice this yet. I'm in this trade and all of a sudden I'm hanging around that break-even level. So I take a look at the actual counter, right? And I see 1 lot. I'm like, what? I was on a smaller account too. So it didn't even fit in. It was pretty crazy. Took it out straight away.
Yeah, that was like 2-3 years ago, man. And it was just like panic attack. I was like, no way, man. What I'm doing? Yeah, GJ had a nice buys, to be honest. Whoever took it, well done. But just like, I'm not comfortable buying into selling trend.
Rather wait for this
Yeah.
price to
Actually
come
got them.
back to sell.
You got the buys? Even?
Yeah, it's you, by the way. Sorry, my voice is going.
No, that's all right, man.
Yeah,
Well
You
I
had a
don't-
little bit too
congratulations.
much of drinks.
no, definitely a cold.
Oh, okay.
How do you send the chart? I actually,
Yeah, because in UK right now it's 12 degrees after 31 degrees, so it's a bit.
Yeah, you guys are bear storms, right?
Yeah.
What happened? Like here too, you saw someone's backyard fly away because like a wind hose.
Yeah, it's in different parts of England, I think. London didn't have that much. I think London had it, Friday or Thursday? It was like bad, really bad.
Yeah, we only had a little bit of wind and rain. But in other parts, like trees were falling.
Even what was your entry, mate?
I've just sent a chart into the Zoom chat,
Well,
but
let
I
me
don't
take a
know
look.
whether I don't know whether it'll work. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it will work.
No, it's not.
Oh,
Bit
damn.
messy.
Yeah, once the wick back down, broke the highs. Okay.
It's just hit my TP at 18.
You said took impulsive sells.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
He was still looking for sales in his mind. That's why he typed it.
Yeah, I am actually.
Yeah, I was looking for the same scenario as you, because then we sort of closed above that Asian range. I was just like, nah, like allow like 2 no-wick candles for me. I was like, nah.
Oh, I was proper worried. I was gonna manage risk because I saw the no-wick candle, but luckily it just moved up. Oh no!
Yeah, it just went up. You just went up straight away.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just managed to get the 10. As soon as I got the 10 pips, I wasn't bothered. I thought it was gonna come back down. But...
I
Nah,
think,
happy days, man.
MA, I think the problem is that you're trying to, retest a zone that was already to the left. You had to retest the most recent zone. So this level to the left, you broke out. You're like, oh, I want to retest this level right here, but you should have been retesting this level right here, rather than that level, because that was the most recent with those cells that you're trying to take.
Luke, you got another chart coming in.
Oh yeah, I see. I'm just know we're doing this chart. So this should have been your entry, like right where your stop loss is, rather than here. So because this level got invalidated by this level or retest. So I think you took it a little bit too early. Let me get this out. I might take buys soon if the 15 closes above that 7-8 level. Let's see.
Have a look. There's in the YouTube. My student sent you as well.
Yeah. Potential buys. And yeah, this already happened.
Elvin, that's his name.
Yeah, I already got it.
YouTube, yeah.
I'm gonna try and fix it. I think he said it a little too wrong. There we go. There we go. Fix it for you, man. You move. Okay. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Makes sense. Very clean chart, man. I like the colors you're using. Very, very clean. Took it on a pretty much a retest.
Yeah, but I don't know where he's getting the trend lines because I don't teach him trend lines, man. So I'm just gonna give a little pep talk
Finesse,
to them.
you're about to get slapped.
Yeah.
You are about you got some problems right now. I'll tell you that.
Man's bringing the trend
I'm
lines.
gonna tell you that. Don't try and put like 2 different strategies into one of us.
Yeah.
I don't really use trend lines, but I will put them on my chart. But I don't take trades off them, just to guide my eye.
I mean, trend line is just a set of trend for you. That's it.
Yeah.
Let's say it that way. Like, so, like, for example, for some people, it breaks the trend line, but, and then for us, it would be break of structure.
Gold struggling with a 1-hour zone. Jesus.
That's not my name.
Man said he put trend lines to look more professional. Yeah, GG's bias was the trade of the London.
I am an instant was for half the levels. I'm already in 12k profits. Well, good for you.
Oh, Michelle, are you in the call? I think I heard a voice.
Yeah, Michelle is in.
I've not finished the book yet, but I've finished the 4 agreements, and then I think I've got like 2 more chapters of the book. I'm planning to finish that. Like,
Okay, and how's it? I actually forgot to buy it.
I didn't start it yet.
yeah, it's literally Augustus. It's like £6.50.
Yeah, no, we spoke
On
about it.
Amazon, it's so cheap.
Yeah, it's really cheap. It's really small as well.
Yeah, it's kind of a cool book. I quite like it. It kind of makes you think about what you say and how to act. I do quite like it. It was a good book suggestion.
I mean, for the 650, man, that's your call. That's your call.
It's worth the book.
Yeah.
After you read the 4 agreements, you gotta get the 5th agreement.
Oh, really? You got the 5th?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, it's really good.
Isn't that one more about relationships, Christopher?
Yeah. It's really good. I'm not gonna spoil it.
He's a man in touch.
You gotta read it.
To be honest, every man needs to read that. I don't care.
I mean, the 4 agreements legit. It almost should be a requirement for life in a way. It's such a good book.
You take it everywhere you go.
I figure if my job in this Zoom is only to introduce the 4 agreements, then my job is done.
Okay.
Don't ever take trading advice from me, but I'll tell you what you should read.
Yeah, to be honest, like every man needs to read about a relationship. I don't care, guys.
And
Honestly.
then you'll still be confused because women are unpredictable. Just when you have it figured out, you need the next book.
Got to be done. Somebody said, Luke, in the chat that you're a softie.
I'm a softie. You want to go? You want to go? Bro.
Man, 6'2" comes in.
6'2". I'm 92 kilograms, man. I'll run you over. Better watch out, man.
Luke's a big BFG. He's a big friendly giant.
There's going to be a situation where I'm not going to be friendly, so... I might order the 5th agreements right now as well.
Hey, you better.
Just add it. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll order it right now straight away. Like the 5th one as well, so I can read it after it. I need it. Yeah, this is not playing out the way I want it to play out right now. GG is coming down slowly. If we have a 30-minute candle close with this, I'm gonna be looking to take sales back down towards 300. I'm gonna order the 5th agreements real quick.
These sales on GJ, I feel like they look too good. Like the structure just looks perfect.
Yeah, so why not take it, right?
I know. I don't know. I feel like the market's trying to trick me. I don't know. It just looks too easy. I don't know.
Yeah, I ordered the 5th agreements right now as well.
It's a great book. It's a great book. Another great book is The Alchemist. It's a really good one too.
Okay. Yeah, I'll read that after. I got a couple books to read still as well. So. Can you see my chart? No, I can't see it. Oh shit! People are roasting you, Chris. Why? What?
They can roast me all they want.
He's a super nice guy, man. What are you talking about? This is correct, Luke, please and thank you. Bro, I can't see your chart, Eldred. I'm gonna show you how to send your chart, right? Gold's coming back up. I'm gonna wait a little longer. I want gold to close above that level. No, close below. Why? So if you go to this camera icon right here, you see this image URL, go all the way to the right, and you copy paste this part. Yes, this part is what you put in the chat, not the entire link, only this part. And then I'll be able to see it. 28 seconds left for this 15-minute candle to close. We're gonna wait for this 30-minute also to close on gold because I want to close above that 7.8. I don't want to get in impulsively because there's already a rejection zone here at 80. Do you play golf? No, I don't play golf. Why would I play golf? Do you play FIFA? No. Take a look at this chart. Let's go to gold. Yeah. Nothing yet. Maybe with a 5-minute close above, then I'll be looking, but just a little bit too. No idea what that is, Mr. Yankee. You got a PS5? No. Do you play Roblox? Yes. Nah. Question time. Yeah, man, for real. Do you pay taxes on the trading income? A little bit, like 1%. Do you play with cards? No. I sent in the chart. I can't see it. Come on, guys. You know how to send in the chart, right? Gold's breaking up. I'm not gonna get in yet. I'd rather wait for a 5-minute candle to close and see how that acts. Because the thing is, we're still against like a resistance level right now. Yo, this mouse is not working anymore, to be honest. It's delicate right now on gold. I mean, we have only 14 minutes left for this candle to close back inside, so I might even wait on that. I mean, back outside with the 30-minute, so I might wait on that one. Yeah. Probably gonna wait for that. Do you play PUBG? No. Do you play Call of Duty Modern Warfare? Modern Warfare, yeah. But no to a Cold War, or when was it? I think it's Cold War, right? Don't play that.
Yeah, I was playing last night. After like 9 months, man, I got shredded. They had no mercy with me.
Will you teach your kids how to trade? It's gonna be a long time until I have kids, man. What's good for buys right now? Yeah, maybe in your plan. Will you teach your kids how to trade? Probably. Okay, it's slowly going up now. Let's see, wait for this 5 minute. The only problem is that just the way it's the 15 is still closing, you know, below that level. Not what I like. Do you take a gold buy? No. How old are you? 22.
I took those gold buys. We'll see what it does.
Yeah, nice. Makes sense. Break of the high makes a lot of sense. But for me, I just want to wait for candles to close inside. It's a Monday, so I don't want to go too ham.
I had the buy stops at like 17.99 exact, and it like pushed my entry to another 1 pip.
Okay, damn.
So now I'm in at 79.10. So it's
Yeah.
a bit of a bum.
You were nearly at 10 pips. That was close. Do you have... no overseas, no nothing. It's just personal income. It's what's it called again?
Dope.
What?
The dope.
I don't know. What do you say? You're very
Dope
quiet.
in it's English. What you don't? You gotta know that. Never mind.
No, I don't. Yeah, it's just capital gains. So use it. Yeah, there you go. Gold is moving right now. Just waiting for this 5 to come back down and then re-break the highs. Did that for a second already. Don't have one to get in yet. It's like we have 8 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close outside. 30 minutes probably gonna make a little wick, so probably gonna wait for this 30.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this hourly to close above this hourly resistance.
Same thing, same. I don't want to get in based on a 5 minute right now.
True.
And this is pretty much the reason why we're pulling back pretty hard right now.
Yeah. To the left, it's very, very ugly.
Yeah.
If you look on the 5 minute, there's there's all sorts of issues.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to get in straight away. Like if the 15 closed above, you missed your shot. Well, I don't think so, my friend. I don't think so.
Yeah, I haven't taken a trade yet.
Man's like, it will not. Starts going down. Gotta know your stuff, man. Yeah. You know what would I like to see? What I would like to see? This 5 minute candle closing above this resistance where we at right now. So pretty much right here. And then the next one close above with the 1 hour.
Yeah, if the hourly closes above, that'll be pretty good. But if it closes below, then I'd be looking for sells to continue ranging until New York.
I might look for sells on GJ below 760 impulsively, 30-minute candle closing with us. 4 hour pretty much went back to this level at that time, and once we start breaking the lows of this support, then we're gonna probably continue moving back down.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because this 15-minute close bearish on GJ is not enough to go down, since the 15-minute has established the bullish uptrend with creating supports and breaking resistances.
Yep.
You need the 30-minute, which is the next best higher time frame, which has no uptrend yet.
Yep.
So if the 30-minute closes bearish, then that's going to continue the overall downtrend.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm
A
out.
lot of people got caught in these buys. Like I'm sure, because if you look left, right, we're exactly at this 5 minutes like resistance area.
Yeah, it teases, man. It teases.
Yeah.
Candles close below, and it goes up, but that up move is just
Like,
a wick.
Psych! That's the
Yeah,
wrong
did it?
number.
It did it for the sells as well. Like 30-minute closed above it closed just at support. The next one came all the way down and then ended up respecting support. But you could have
Yeah.
easily caught 30 pips on those sells.
Anybody paying attention to G potential double bottom formation on 4 hour time frame and support potential? I haven't really looked at it today. Oh damn, that's a strong zone right here.
Luke, I have a question.
Yeah.
So since you've watched gold for a long time, and Uncle Ted has said how pre-market, pre-session, sometimes it'll have a pullback. The pullback that happened, I guess, 11 hour and 15 minutes ago, or
Oh, gold. Oh no, hour and 15 minutes ago. This one.
yes, could that have been the pullback for the London session, or is that too soon?
I don't know. I don't really focus on that. I don't think we have to. It's more like some sort of a rejection zone. The
Okay.
4 hour at this wick. So I'd
wanna say,
rather
I
think
think
it
it
was just
happened on
respecting
Friday.
the support zone rather than having pullbacks every London session. I mean, what we see most of the time in between the London session is rarely breakouts like this. So what we could see is that we come up back to the zone and come back down inside the London session before New York, and New York is going to continue breaking out.
Okay.
And look at
That's-
look. Sorry.
Go ahead,
That's why I
go ahead,
asked,
Frank.
that's what Ted had explained that on New York, but I just didn't know if London reacted the same way.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, look at that 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. That's what I said when this closed bearish and the next one closed bullish. And even if the next one starts breaking the high, it's going to be pretty good. But I'm going to be very careful with this level here to the left and this level here to the left, because that's a really dangerous wick right there. Put this on GJ for a second. Ooh, GJ just was like, psych, 30-minute closing bearish. Hell no. We ain't doing that. Do you have a New York stream later? I think there's no stream today. Is there? I don't think so, right?
Oh, really? You're not doing the stream?
No, I don't think there is anyone streaming today. So,
Oh, really?
let's give them a little challenge. For fun.
Oh, yeah.
What is the challenge gonna be? Because I'm still don't know if I want to do it yet, but I will do it if we had 1.5k, so 70 subscribers left. 69 actually, 69 subscribers left, and then we had hit 11.5k, and then we're gonna do one easy thing. We're gonna do we got 550 people in, so 250 likes. This is not a lot. That's only that's not a lot.
Easy.
So
Easy.
that's easy peasy. 250 likes and 11.5k. and that's only 69 subscribers. So I think that's pretty good. Yeah, it's always 69 for some reason for us. How many times is it 69? Crazy.
69
Then
420.
we'll then we'll do the New York session live streams as well. But it has to be hitting this session. Okay, yeah, we're about to already hit that like target. Oh shit.
So last 2 minutes on gold is we're gonna tell us if it's gonna close above or below.
I am delicate right now. Both
Yeah.
of them are doing some weird stuff. Luke, do a 24-hour live trade session. No. We're
Maybe
not
at 50k.
You're mad.
You know what I saw? Some guy, he's just got a Guinness World Record for live streaming. And he's live streamed for something like 2,500 hours.
Damn.
He's basically been doing it since something ridiculous like December.
Oh
It's
shit.
just not stopped. live streams when he
2,500
sleeps.
hours. Oh, the sleeping
It's
guy.
like 100 days of streaming.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I don't know when he exactly started, but he's been doing it for a while.
This man, Riley, shave your eyebrows for 15k. Why? Why?
Honestly, I think a 24/7, like a 24-hour stream for 50k or like
50k, yeah, that's okay.
would be a reasonable target. Because I think right now the challenge is to like dye your hair or
No. Go bald.
Go bald. Okay. So maybe the 24-hour stream might be a better replacement.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. This candle is sorta closing above,
This is like.
but the
There's-
rejection I see on the 15 is not so pretty.
There's a lot of things that are not so pretty right now.
Yeah.
Like GGA is not pretty and gold is not pretty, but I am actually looking for something. Like, okay, gold is respecting this, but
Mhm.
there are some situations that could work out if we start breaking the support zone right here.
Yeah, exactly. Break of structure.
Yeah,
Also-
that's what I'm looking for right now. Like, if we break that level, I'm gonna be probably looking for sells. If not, it is what it is. Buys are not showing the correct way for me right now.
Yeah.
So,
Would want to see a target created first.
oh yeah, of course. And GJ wise, I see this happening. But if we start breaking the current 30-minute previous, I mean not the current, but the previous 30-minute low.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same thing. I want to see the break of the low. That would be 15-minute low.
Yep.
I just don't want this high of 30 minutes to be broken. That's it.
Yeah. Same thing. If we break the 5-minute low, we're gonna continue moving down. Yeah, 250 likes just like that. Only the subscribers. We only had 2 people subscribe. So you know it. If you want to see that New York session, 11.5.
Yeah, subscribe for that 24-hour stream as well.
Dude.
For 8 hours, it's just gonna be Luke's face sleeping.
Yeah, man. Dude, if you don't buy, why would I buy, man? Come on. Do you see the candles, the way they're closing right here? It doesn't make sense to buy.
Oh, sorry.
We're back creating more accounts to sub. But like Tristan's going out. Look, 20k subs for 24-hour stream live trading. Let's do it on okay, 25k or 50k. We're gonna do a poll this second.
For what, the 24-hour stream?
Yeah, but 24 hours, man. You know how long that is. I'm gonna be dead tired after that.
After
But like, how many people want to see it? Why a 24-hour stream? Like, okay, I'm gonna
I don't
ask
know,
you.
it's like a fun little challenge.
Okay. Dude,
We'll hold the record for the longest Forex stream.
24-hour stream with a bottle of wine every
Yeah.
hour.
and then at the end of the stream, you blow your account.
Yeah, drunk trading.
Yeah, it could be a challenge.
Okay, I'll put it in a poll. Say yes if you think it's we should do it. Say no if you're like nah. But for the people that say yes, you're gonna be around there for the full 24 hours. No bullshit. There you go. I put it in the poll. So.
No, you should do either the 24-hour stream or bold. But I mean, going bold, like, what does the YouTube have? What do they get out of that? Yeah.
So. Still, 30% of the people are like, nah, we ain't going to do that. It's not that. Or not that. Running for it yet, so. 28% says no. Yo, Michelle. Michelle.
Yes.
There is someone asking your Instagram the entire morning already.
I don't do Instagram. I mean, I have an Instagram, but it's not about trading, so.
So, all private stuff.
Yeah, I don't even think I post on it. I just use it to look at other people's stuff.
Nice. And then now he's gonna ask, do you have Facebook?
You wouldn't want my trades anyway, I promise. Unless you like drawdown.
You focus on the 28%, not the 72. But yeah, we're going down, man. Come on. But looks like okay, let's take a little look on GJ right now, because we might be breaking the low soon on both pairs. We're gonna do a double fake out. Like 24-hour stream doesn't make sense, but I see a lot of people are.
You could just do like a London to New York one, you know, like non-stop.
London to New York.
Yeah, like instead of taking like an hour or two in between.
Yeah, just like London, New York, and London close. Maybe that's it, man. Because otherwise, like 24 hours is just dragging, man. Too much.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
You're asking somebody else not to sleep 24 hours, and that's
Yeah, that's next level.
It would need to be done on a Friday.
Yeah, 100%. If it's getting done Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, what? So, PJ is about to break down. Yeah, I'm thinking on maybe acting up on this low on GJ. 30 minute isn't that strong though, but pretty much retested this level, so I think we should continue moving down.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Then it's breaking bullish structure.
Yep, didn't break though yet. Gold is doing the same thing. Don't want to go in two trades at the same time, but
yeah, I'm waiting for gold. It's gonna be my move.
I have both ready if I see the correct situation for him.
Okay, nice.
Let's see.
Gonna go ham.
No. I'm not gonna go two at the same time.
Oh, but whichever one comes first, or like what's best.
Whichever one I like the most and comes, gonna be okay. Looks like gold is coming down.
Yeah.
In the break of this low, we could definitely mirror some of this move, or at least go down 10 pips. So both of them are coming down right now. I have to decide.
The market makers are like making it rain with opportunity now.
Still deciding. Don't know yet. On one side, I'd rather get into gold. Gold's not really showing it right now, though. Let's see.
Oh,
Just shorted both. Oh, damn. You better be careful. Yeah, gold hasn't broken yet. This is not valid yet.
Yeah, I'd rather
GJ
wait for
though.
this to close below.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in GJ. Sells right now.
Very nice.
Just entered. Entry at 760. Flat. Let's see. Why is it so big? My stop loss like 13 pips. I'm gonna target this low right here. I'm gonna put a partial TP at 10 pips of 75%. Let's see what happens. A break even trigger probably around 8 pips. Gonna let it play out. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Right?
They should.
Yeah, it should. Let's see. I mean, it makes sense, the entire trade, so that's why I'm acting up on it. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we come back up, maybe we come back down. It is what it is. Gold didn't move. We're just waiting for GJ to push down. On one side, I don't really like the 5 minute, but I'm gonna let it play out a little longer. Because at the end of the day, we broke the lows, but let's see. If the 5 minute closes back inside, I'm gonna close 50%. Because the reason I don't like this is respecting this level right now. So let's see. Okay, we just jumped back up, made a 5 minute wick up top. Let's see if we can continue moving down right now. If we re-break the current high on the 5 minute time frame, I'm probably going to be closing 50%. We shouldn't be re-breaking that. We just made a top wick on the 5 minute time frame. If that re-breaks again, that means that we don't have the potential to fully push down. So let's see. A little patience. Yeah, it seems like we got like 340 votes. It doesn't seem like people really want to see that, so don't know about that yet. There we go, 2 pips into profit again. Oh, I went all the way back up. Yeah, if we re-break the current 5 minute high, I'm going to be closing percentages. What I said before. But we are closing below it at 15, so I might give it a little bit more room. About to re-break the current high. Still didn't do it. And that's the thing what I don't like about GJ, right? You just hang around so long at your entry. Like way too long. And old look worth. Have a little chart coming in. Let's take a look at this. It needs to start moving though because it's taking a very long time. It's an impulsive entry, so let's see. It's hanging around way too much. But we got 50 seconds for this 15 to close, and we could pull back up on this 15-minute time frame. So let's see. Trying to give it a little bit more room on this close. But we do need to definitely need to go down after this close. Yeah, I closed 50%. The way it's moving is just too slow. Even though it's London Open, so.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, let's see. That's why I expected a little bit more volume to come in. But we're not seeing that yet. I mean, we opened with this 15. We still closed below, so the trade isn't invalid yet. But let's see. 5-minute close without a top wick. So. Let's start jumping. No, that's not gonna help. Trust. Gold broke. Ooh. No.
Yeah, looking at. I'd rather want a 5-minute to close below this level.
Yeah.
Else stop loss is a little funky. But I think if it breaks the 30-minute low, then yeah, that would be pretty okay entry with a stop loss above the 5-minute. But it's just this new 15 has no top wick. So for a Monday, I'm looking for the 5-minute to close below.
Yeah, I got pretty good positioning on these cells.
Yeah, it makes sense.
1778, 44.
I think it should definitely continue moving down right now. But the only thing is 15 no top wick, so.
Yeah, but the 30 minutes open.
Yeah, exactly.
True.
But, you know, that doesn't mean that the 15 won't create a top wick.
Uh-huh.
But my theory, you know, higher time frames is still open. It really doesn't matter if it keeps clashing.
If it's gonna break that previous 15-minute high, I'm gonna get out. I mean 5-minute high, right here to the left. Otherwise, it's not going to be valid anymore. It's pretty much like right here. Yeah, I'm out. I am out. Yeah, it is what it is, right?
Yeah, it was a good trade. This volume didn't follow through.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold is creating that 15-minute top wick, which is pretty good. If the 5-minute can close below, that'd be even better. Or maybe if it breaks its own low.
That's trash movement right there.
Nothing knows what he wants to do.
Yeah, this breaking out and come back up. Yeah, maybe we're gonna give gold an opportunity if we have a good close.
Yeah.
No, Charles, I already shot my shot at GJ. I don't really trade a lot of GJ overall. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen. It just took me out above the 5-minute and now it's coming back down. That's nasty, GJ. That's nasty.
Damn, I missed gold. It broke its own low in the last minute.
Oh, damn.
But I think there can still be opportunities with the candle close.
Yeah, GJ did a nasty game right there, that 15. I mean, you could have expected it for the 15 to make a top wick, but I was like, this needs to be respected. This level right here, it didn't. So, it is what it is.
I should have stayed with my over leveraged sell. See, discipline, la la la.
I mean, the 5-minute closed pretty well.
True.
Why don't you try and enter on this 5?
Yeah, if it flips bearish.
Yeah. I think it should be good then. Like a tight stop loss and just start pushing down.
Yeah, I think that'd be interesting.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's Monday, so you gotta be careful.
It's teasing.
Yeah. Doesn't really want to flip.
No. If it breaks its own low, like 75.80, that's kind of what I'm looking at.
Right here, yeah, makes sense. That makes sense.
But if it closes weak bullish and the next one breaks the low, then that'd be even more better.
But I do think you want to see like highs like these ones being respected, right?
Yeah, definitely.
What? Yeah, I don't see nothing about that.
Yeah, I took my sell position.
Yes, same.
Nice, nice.
I took it on a lower risk though because I just took that GJ trade as well. But let's see.
Got the candle closing in 2 minutes. I think it should be pretty good to fill the wick at least.
Going up around 3 pips. So.
Oh, nice. What's your entry?
7605.
7. Oh, damn. That's early, right at the flip.
Yes.
Flip. Nice. Yeah, I have
Running around
75
5 pips.
85.
Profit.
Yeah, I got 3 pips. If
That's
it starts
alright.
respecting the previous low, then I'm gonna look to manage risk. Otherwise, it should be pretty
I'm
good.
looking really to start taking profit like way deep. Like deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I closed 75% here.
Yeah,
I'm on increased risk as well, 0.40.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm looking
Ooh,
to
my man's over leveraging. My
Ah,
boy.
close at 20
No,
pips.
I'm just playing.
I'm looking to close at 20.
Yeah, that's perfect. Like we talked about last night. Beautiful.
It's pretty easy to get 10 on gold though. So 20 would 15 to 20.
Yeah, I still have my
10 pips.
stop loss above the current high.
Oh, nice. I'm fully break even.
Moved it a little bit down so I don't lose anymore. Yeah, I'm going to break even. Well, I hit like 17 pips already, so don't really want to lose after that.
True. Catching 10 pips on gold is like just as easy as taking a breath of air once you have the experience in it, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm really looking to go to deeper down. My partial take profit is at like 26 pips, so let's see. If I hit it, I hit it. If I don't hit it, I don't. It is what it is. And
yeah, it's a banger trade if it hits there.
let's see. It's like my partial TP is at like 73, like right here, at this level right here.
Right.
So.
Oh, you're looking at the 1 minute, I see.
Oh yeah, for a second, yeah, just for a second. But it's like there's like a level in the 5, I think, that I wanna go towards. But 5 minutes should pull back up. Thinking about giving a little bit more room.
Ooh. Gonna hit. Ooh, there goes my break even.
Yeah,
I already secured 1.5, almost 2%, like 1.75%.
Yeah, let's see. I'm still in. Look, I didn't get out. If it comes higher up though, yeah. Entry is right here. Like it's not allowed to break the body of the previous candle, in my opinion. But we already hit like, how much was it? Like 17 pips or something? Yeah, I already hit like 18 pips. But I was looking to get close at 26, lower position. So, let's see. It seems a little greedy, but for me, it's I'm really.
For gold, it's perfectly reasonable.
Yeah, for sure. Seems like gambling. No, we were looking for this already since the beginning. So.
Yeah, we talked about like either the hourly is gonna close above to continue up, or it's gonna come back into the range.
We take educated guesses.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I want this 5 minute to start flipping and then fill the wick and then continue moving down. Like my stop loss is like right here above the body.
That's pretty good.
Yeah,
it came down like the spread exactly stuffed my break even. That's Gucci. I secured,
but I might just keep it at the current high just to give it that room. But let's see.
Yeah.
Because I know this is gonna probably continue moving further down. especially once this 5 minute starts going, closing bullish and not breaking the previous high, then we should continue moving down. But let's see. Just be patient. I'm still running around like 6 pips profit, so good luck, Luke. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
There we do it, boys.
Yeah, just being patient. You're in too.
Yeah.
You're still holding it.
Out for 14 pips. Nah, I cashed out.
I was already. Oh shit! I was already at like 18. Like my partial take profit is at 26. So
That was my trade for the day. I think I'm done.
nice. I think it's gonna hit TP. Yeah, I hope so. Let's see. It's in the pushing, like it's hanging around this level right now. Look on the lower time frames, like 5 minute and 1 minute. If it starts breaking this, re-breaking like fully this low, we should continue moving down. But we could also, like, I wouldn't be surprised if it's all of a sudden like one candle comes and just bang is up, you know.
Or no, bangs down.
Yeah, could do both, but you know, gold can do some weird stuff.
Yeah.
I'm running back in 10 pips profit. So let's wait. Like my partial take profit is not that far away.
No.
So let's see.
Next one breaks this low, then that's also going to be a pretty good opportunity.
Yeah, and you
but,
see, look how the 5 minute is.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah, for the people that missed the initial leg down with the break of this weak bullish 5 minute,
a retest.
A candle, it's gonna do the second leg down. But you need it to close a bullish, of course, else it'll be a little tricky.
Yeah, I want this candle to close bullish. 7-6. Alright. Oh no. Okay, this doesn't look that. Okay, it does. Okay, can't see stuff. As a bottom wick. Let's see. Now, yep, this 5 minute high should be respected. And if we start breaking this 74 low, we should come down to 73, 4, and that's gonna be my first. Like my partial take profit is like right here. And that's 75% or 50. Let me change that to 75.
New 30-minute open, so you should get a wake up.
Yeah, wake up. That's what I was like. Oh,
unless it just blasts through everything right now and
let's
calls
see.
It quits.
That's what I said. Like it could do that in milliseconds.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we made a fake up, so yeah, I think we're gonna go back up really fast. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. It is what it is.
Yeah, really good trade.
Yeah, we had like 18, 19 pips, but I was really aiming because I was using a little bit of a lower risk. I was aiming to really get my
yeah, that makes sense.
Partial to go to a deeper level.
Yeah, and this is the issue with the gold sometimes. Oh yeah, it's a little lagging.
I don't know what's going on. Yeah. Oh, should be good now, right? Yeah, it should be good now. What is GJ doing? Oh yeah, that's a joke. GJ is, yeah, I'm really gonna divorce GJ. I'm not gonna play around with GJ anymore.
Yeah.
For the people that want GJ, I got no time for GJ anymore. This baba boy. Hey, go ahead.
You just gotta pick the right times because the thing is, it's already dropped a lot and it's tapped into daily support, right? So and we're seeing on the lower time frame the bullish structure forming for a pullback. And yeah, I guess now that structure is going to translate into the 30-minute as well, from the 15-minute down up to the 30-minute. And
yeah, let's see. I mean, there was a lot of potential to retest this low, and
yeah, definitely.
if we can't
I agree
retest
with
that, if we can't do normal retest without doing some bullshit, yeah, nah, let it be what it is.
Yeah, I closed GG break even.
Yeah, it's just a joke.
I was basically 5 pips up.
Yeah, me too.
Because it broke the low, and then it started coming back, and I was like, okay, if you're coming back, I don't want to be in that range coming back. So I just literally closed the break even.
Nice. Yeah, makes sense.
Because on the 5-minute, we're coming off from resistance to another resistance, and yeah, it's terrible.
Where did you take the seller cluster?
Why?
No, where?
760.
Yeah, same. We had the same entry, like the same entry at exactly 760 as well.
Yeah.
Went up like 5 pips, yeah.
Yeah, I took the sell.
But that's what I said on gold. All of a sudden, you're gonna see one candle that's just gonna bang all the way up.
Even you took the same trade?
Yeah, I did, but I didn't really manage any risk and basically lost my profits for the morning. But it's all
That's
good.
still okay.
It'll be journaled anyway.
I mean, I still believe the GG can form an hourly resistance. We can go down.
Yeah, the confirmations were there. It broke the 30-minute low. It respected the 30-minute high.
Yeah.
It did look like he was going to move down.
It's just the probability.
Seems like there's less volume when London opens. It's crazy. It seems like there's less volume when London opens.
Yep. But the gold sales, they were very nice. We were waiting for them a long time. And once I saw that 5 flipping, it made a lot of sense to sell off from.
Yeah, I didn't take them. I didn't want to overtrade.
Yeah,
I feel like no revenge trades.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
no. Yeah, I was literally waiting for both, and I was like, okay, GJ, not really working out. And then I saw this one, which I was more keen into gold anyways, but GJ just happened before. I was like, yeah, let's try this one as well. Went up like 19 pips, 18 pips. Didn't secure though. I was using half risk and was trying to get towards like 26 pips right here to this level. Lean traffic to the left. Leave my position longer, running. Yeah. Might give gold one more chance because it was pretty much a break-even trade. Might give gold one more chance in New York.
To be honest, looking at GG now, I've seen this setup before, where we sort of break a structure on 15, create resistance and break a structure. Then we had the consolidation. Then the next 15 sort of breaks the low.
Yeah, it fakes out.
And then it fakes out. Yeah. I've seen this setup.
Yeah,
but it is what it is.
Yeah, overall, personally, I'm not a fan of GG anymore anyways. So,
nah, man, everything is fine with GG, man, to be honest. Nah. It's just the positioning and the timing, as Master P said, But yeah, looking at the hourly, I still believe that, look at the hourly. 1 bearish candle and then 4 bullish candles. So we can see that we have more bearish volume than bullish. So
you mean switch around? What way do you mean? Oh yeah, okay, I mean that way. Oh, I understand. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. Take a fib off the red, move it down. No, we don't use
Luke,
fibs.
how many are you away from 11.5 on subscribers?
I don't know. Let's see. 43. 43 away. So you know what to do if you want to see that NY session. No bottom wick on GJ sells incoming. Yeah, I don't know about that. It's breaking the highs. Gold is looking good though right now. Came back up to retest this zone. Look at gold master. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm not into fibs. Lucas Richard back today, or are you doing New York sessions? If he's not back, I'll be doing them. If we hit 11.5k subscribers.
Yeah, I don't think Raja will be back for NY today.
Same.
No, he said that he's setting up for London.
Oh yeah, and that as well. He's gonna stream London, so
yeah, he's setting up for London. So
yeah, Pakistan is like in the perfect time zone. You can trade Asia, London, New York, all within daytime.
Yeah, but you don't really want to trade all of them, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you do like what I do, where you look at the 4-hour close and then you know that good volume is gonna come in, then that's perfect. Because sometimes, yeah.
He's going to do London, no New York. Yeah, we all know that.
Amazing trade.
For trading actually get you money. What do you think we're doing it?
We have an interesting question in the Zoom. I don't know if you already answered it. It's like, how do you decide whether to enter on the break at the high or low, or when the candle flips bullish or bearish?
If you have most of the times, if I get in impulsively, it's like on the break of the low. But this time I was already a little bit confident about the close already, and the wick back up, and I was like, if this is gonna turn, because it didn't have any bottom wick, then it's gonna create the bottom wick and fill the wick right here, because it had a wick to fill. Like if this wick only was like right here, like let's say 70, 75, 8, then it didn't really have a wick to fill, right? So I was like, yeah, if we flip here, we also have first of all have a target already, and then we should continue moving further down.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to say as well. Pretty much when there's a wick fill, then it's much more beneficial to get in at like the flip than and the break at the high or low, because then the wick fill, it will already be like, you know, so many pips further down that your entry is just going to be so trash once it gets there. But you had such a good entry on this gold trade. It's like the exact flip I was waiting for the its own low to break.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it was the low. It was the low. But for some reason, it just had a good entry. I don't know. But it was pretty good.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, the
I'm
thing is, I
gonna go
only
get some.
only
Oh yeah, go ahead.
on the gold trade I only use like half risk, so I was like, yeah, I want to go to a good partial take profit straight away, rather
True.
than doing that 10 pips.
Yeah, I would have been looking to do something like that as well, but I increased my risk by like to 30%. So like I just secured at 13 pips. I secured the 75%, leaving as your 0.10 running.
Yeah,
as
makes
a runner.
sense.
I'll go get some breakfast. I'll be
Perfect.
back if the
Yeah, man.
stream is still running later on.
Perfect.
All right. See you soon.
See ya.
Oh, I'll stay in the Zoom, by the way. I won't leave the.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'll just put myself on mute.
Okay, great question. Yeah, I got it like right. I had a very good entry. It was like right here, and I went down to like 17, like 18 and a half pips. But for me, it was I was really trying to go target this level right here to the left, this support, at that time. So probably if I had my full position in, I would have probably already closed like half position right here at that 18, 19 level. But yeah, it is what it is. Tried it. I pretty much got out at break even. Used small risk anyways. Target was very, very big, so doesn't really matter. If you make it the next time, it's all gonna be good. And I think we had the potential to come down to that level. We only wait. I think what pretty much was in the way was that 30-minute candle close right there. The 30 closed pretty strong, right? But the new 30-minute that wake up was just dangerous. The 3 zones on GJ, well, it's pretty simple, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour, this is a 4 hour support. We might retest this level and continue moving back down, so that's why we took the sells right here at 150, 160. Got into like 5 pip profit. I think I was in a full position, so I think I should have closed at least some off, or at least went out at break even. That's what I'm probably gonna do next time, because I don't really trust GG anymore, anyways. And then you have this level right here, and that's that 15-minute resistance level, which is probably gonna be the first partial take profit level, right? And then we have the full target that's right here, so that's 151, 300, and that's the low of this move down. So that's pretty much what I was looking for. But looks like GG just broke structure, and it's gonna continue moving up. Away. No fat. Ooh, we're 34 subscribers off for the New York session. Let's see if we can make that. Yeah, yesterday be the banger. Guys, be mindful that people are trading alongside your trades. Yeah, but we do this already for 4 months, so they know what to do and what not to do. We're not here to copy your trade, hieroglyphic. You're trading on their own style, on their own possibilities. So, well done to you if you took the correct trade. But we also took a correct trade on gold, so don't worry about us. Worry about yourself, man. Perfect, Dennis. Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on going with gold. Probably for the rest of the week. My experience with GJ hasn't been great. Last week we had a correct trade, but overall experience with GJ, nah.
No, I think GJ on daily needs to make that retest as we spoke about before pushing down.
Yeah, but for me and GJ isn't is a thing anymore. So I'm gonna call GJ in. Officially double. Bro, thank you for showing up every day, bro. Yeah, no problem, I am. No problem. Do you think that we could we'll make a wick on the daily candle gold within the 1 day? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's very good, Steady Safaris Limited. Very good. Thank you, man.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Worse or better?
What?
Worse or better?
Still pretty quiet though. I can't hear you, man. Dug out on my long GU down the precise pip before. Oh damn. Yeah, it is, but it is, right? Wicks and candles. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So like, wow, London opens and volume dies down. For real. Look, your glasses look expensive, and no, they're actually really cheap. They're not expensive at all. So who knows?
It's that French cut. It's that French cut.
It's that French cut, man. You know it. DK, trading gold is what I felt difficult, but you guys did great. It's helping me, thanks. Yeah, For me, it's it's more becoming GJ. For me, gold is the one. Look, you ever thought about laser eye surgery? Yes, might do that. But I don't know when. Probably gonna wait a couple years, and then I might probably do that. So, probably like, I'm 22 now. Probably when I'm like 30, I might do it, or 25, or maybe if I get a good opportunity now for at a good place, might do it. But waiting for now. I don't want to do it too early because I heard that you can't. Like when you need to re-laser, like after like 10 years you need to go back, I think, and then you need to re-laser them. And I think at that moment, gonna be delicate. It's gonna be delicate if you want to do it over and over again. I think you can only do it a couple times, so I'm gonna wait on it so I don't have to worry about the fact that like that they can't laser it anymore. I don't know what's it called. They like shave something off your pupils and then they put the laser in and thought you were in the early 30s. Oh man, no man. Man. Bro, make me sound old, man. I'm just 22. Today was a confusing on gold because it opened for a sell, but was written buys. They were written buys above. Yeah, because there were potential buys above that level, but below that level again, there were potential sells coming up, right? So we had potential buys above here. Price didn't make any highs. Like, okay, let's say for a better understanding, this zone right here between 7.6 and 7.8 was a buying zone. But if you look left, there was no buys. Just playing out. But once price started, breaking here and starting breaking the lows, and once you saw the 5 minute making the top wick and start re-breaking again, that was a selling opportunity inside. I wear glasses too, no problem. We won't look as handsome without glasses. Oh yeah, no worries. I don't care about the glasses, but the thing is, I'll lose them. So and the most annoying part about glasses is that they get nasty too fast, man. So it's like I have them on and then fucking 2 hours later, no, not even an hour later, they're already dirty, and I can't with that. I've done a LASIK in Dubai 2 years ago for $800, and my eyesight is way better than you. Don't need to do LASIK again. When you're 50s, you might need glasses for reading. Oh yeah, because the only problem with lasering, right, is that your eyes go back to positive when you get older most of the time. So let's say you have like -2 right now, like probably in your 50s you're going to be looking a little bit better because it's going back to positive. But I also have a cylinder, so I don't know. Like without glasses I can see pretty well, but it's like wasn't clear. You 10 pips win. Well, we went down like 19 pips, so you could have gotten in any moment. NHFX. Can you say this same about the zone underneath that zone? Yeah. If you've been here before, you understand. So next time you understand it as well. But that's the first zone I look for, right? Inside the session to sell below from. Now we made a fake out, so we are able to sell inside this zone. So take that into consideration next time. And not always, we're not always allowed to trade inside the zone, because that could also be like a no trade area. But only $800, that's nothing. That's nothing. Like here it costs like 3,000 or something. But I heard once you do that, it feels like you got like a lot of sand in your eyes. Like it feels like that someone just threw sand in your eyes and you want to rub it the entire time. but you did. Yeah, I can sell whenever I want, but this is hieroglyphic guy. You gotta understand that this was a fake out, right? And in fake outs, we're allowed to sell inside the zone. Yes, we have potential sells right here, and we had at this one we had potential buys. I understand that, but we made a fake out, so we're allowed to trade inside the zone. And this is at the beginning of the chart. We come in and we come in at the beginning. We're gonna say like, okay, hey, below this zone, I want to be selling, right? I could already be selling below 71, but that doesn't make it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. When I come to the charts, I'm like, okay, below this zone, I want to be selling. I'm gonna move this one because I think we can sell up a little bit higher up, like right here. But those are the most perfect zones to sell off from. Understand? So, my ID before, yeah, let me take a look. So those are like the beginning IDs, but also your IDs change when price is moving, right? And once we had that close back inside, inside the range with the 5-minute and breaking the 30-minute low, say to the left at 75.8, what was the probability for us to keep on going further down? Pretty high, right? So even though it says potential buys and potential sells below, that doesn't mean that we can't trade inside that zone. And trade the bigger the high, closes above. Oh yeah, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Pretty good. Like a 20 pip range. Okay. Makes sense, man. Let the next candle make a bottom wick before continuing moving up though. Ooh, are we on 10.5k yet? No. We're 22 subscribers away. Said it before, if you want to see New York session, 22 subscribers left and then we're gonna stream New York. Otherwise no New York session, guys. This is a challenge. Michelle and Josh. I don't know about that. Yeah. Be careful when getting eye surgery. Make sure the place is make sure the place is legit and not something you want on a budget. If they mess up, you'll be seeing sideways. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be very careful with that. I don't care if I pay like 800 or 3 grand. I'd rather pay 3 grand if I know it's better. I don't give a shit about the price.
You get what you pay for.
Yeah, man.
The dude said $800 for eye surgery.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd rather go full margin. 3 grand.
100%.
But the 3 grand place can be trash as well, so we just need a good place. I already know some good places, but I don't want to do it too early in my life, right? Just 22. Yeah, you need to check if it's possible for your eyes. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, let me see. Sir. Wait. Oh yeah, below 4. I got like 1.5 or something cylinder or 2. I don't know. But in the Netherlands, there are some good places. Like, you know what's funny here in the Netherlands? You can get it for like, if you work at the government, or the government or the police or the ambulance or the fire department, you can get your eye surgery at like a very expensive place for like $200 or something. Insane. And then
It's
so
a blessing.
What?
It's a blessing.
Yeah, you get it from the government. Yeah, it is around like 3,000 in Amsterdam. If you had to sell buys today. Yes, hieroglyphic. Bro, don't worry too much on what I'm doing, man. Come on. Officer Luke. Government wants you to do eye surgery, take vaccines. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Yeah, I do want an eye surgery though, because I'm gonna like in the summer it doesn't matter because I got my sunglasses on anyways. No, it doesn't matter. Go blind with a dodgy clinic or wear glasses. I'll wear glasses, thanks. Once you're blind, then you're blind. Yeah, then you can't even see the charts anymore. Yeah, I won't go to a dodgy clinic. I will go to something that's really legit, right? No dodgy stuff. But yeah, guys, pretty good session. I'm gonna take a break in between the sessions, but we need to go to 11.5k. We're only like, what? How much are we off? Let's take a look. Ooh. Okay, we're 27 subscribers off, so if you want to see that NY session, it's a challenge, guys. We said it before, it's a challenge. I always do when I first, just in case things go wrong. I'm just to me. There. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, okay, pretty good. Yeah, but I even because of that, I would still look at buys. You're gonna pick. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the New York session. You know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll be on same time. You guys know what time it is when New York is starting. So I'll see you there. Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't try and overtrade and over risk inside the small break. Just call it one. Go get your breakfast or whatever the hell you need to get, and then come back in New York. See ya.